What did Boston gift me today?
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Columbia County and east central New York until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Topeka, or 7 miles southwest of Great Barrington, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Great Barrington, Sheffield, Housatonic, Stockbridge, Hillsdale, New Marlborough, Monterey, Alfred, Hartsville, Newsboy Statue, Glendale, Williamsville, North Egremont, Interlaken, Risingdale, West Stockbridge Center, Topeka Falls, Egremont Plain, Van Duysen Village.
The Egremont transmitter's under this SVR right now, I'm pretty sure. No, it is.
The National
Well then, that kind of surprised me.